is no perfect life here on earth. We always have imperfect relationship, we always have imperfect people, we have imperfect circumstances. We do not know actually what is ahead of us. We don't have the ability to foretell what is the future, and that is why there is no perfect circumstances. But there is perfect attitude towards our problem, perfect reaction towards a problem. This has been my attitude to, take calm in every circumstances that is not good that may come along the way. We have to relax, we have to take a deep breath in order for us not to be stressed with the problems that may come along the way. Because I believe that in every problem, there is a solution. In every damage that we have experienced, there are always leeways on how to improve and how to make some solutions to the problem. That is why I'm sharing this with you, because I know that some of us are really into delving so much about the problem. We have to dwell so much about the circumstances that are not favorable. Well, let me encourage you that in life, it's just a matter of how we deal with it. There are problems. We cannot evade problems. We cannot even escape bad circumstances. But what we're gonna do is the positive attitude towards a circumstance. So today I'm so happy because we are going to the airport. And our purpose of going there is to claim our cockatiels. And I'm so happy because I had been longing for just a couple of pairs of these cockatiels because there are lovely birds and they are so adorable. That is why I made some effort to really acquire at least 4 pairs of this kind of bird, because I would like to integrate this to our aviary right here. So far we have good breeding of these parakeets. We also have tried our best effort in breeding these African lovebirds. So now we will go to the airport and we will allow our staff to claim these very lovely birds. Come on, let's go.
Unbox lang sir, no? Unbox lang sir, no?
So guys, I am so happy that we have finally claimed our cockatiels. And there are 4 pairs. There are 8 of them. And this is going to be a good start for our breeding of this cockatiels. And I'm so hopeful, very positive that we can produce this one, because I really bought some good breeders, these quality ones, that can start a good breeding of this kind of bird. So we will get inside and then we will pair this one, because I was told that there are coatings in the rings of their legs. So we have to, you know, find their partner now, and Lara is there helping us, and we will get inside. So guys, you will see that we are here now in our cages of this cockatiel. We are going to catch one by one, because we are pairing them according to the pairing that was actually initiated by the owners of this birds. And the reason why we have these 2 pairs is for us to have good start. So these are all matured and they're breeders, and we will catch them. Can you read this, Lara? What's the code? 207. The pair is 230. So 230. Are you 230? Because we have to be careful about handling. Ew. Ouch.
34.
234 stay?
34.
Sorry. 234.
34 lang.
Hopefully they are 230. We are painstakingly and, you know, patiently doing this, because they bite so much. I already have here the blood coming out. I'm sorry.
230.
And the main diet for this cockatiel is composed of this canary seeds. We have sunflower and safflower seeds, but we are integrating this moringa, and this proves to be very effective in so far as caring of our birds is concerned. And take note that this is not the final aviary yet, because we are still on the process of making our beautiful aviary at home. And this is a good news, because I wanted to take care of these birds personally. I wanted that when I wake up early in the morning, I'm gonna see these beautiful birds. I would like to hear their chirpings, their sounds. It's really very relaxing. To tell you honestly, I really don't have that vast experience yet in dealing with these cockatiels. Unlike the parakeets and the African, you can just control their movement, but these are much more stronger and bigger. So this is also one of my advice to those who would be dealing with this kind of bird, that be sure to use the gloves. I forgot to buy gloves, protection gloves, so this is what happened. So guys, allow me to also make an update about our African lovebirds, because last week we really had a problem about the ants, and I'm so amazed by the power of this anti-cockroach and anti-ants chalk. I use them and it's very effective. It really shies away the ants that are coming in. You will see here, I put some chalk over here, and you will see that in their individual nest boxes, we also have lined this chalk, and this is very effective. And if you have problems about ants, maybe you can also try this one. It's really very effective than using these chemicals. because the chemicals would somehow also affect our birds. I'm so happy because we already have a big chick of this African. We already also have several chicks right inside, and we have so many eggs. This is really a challenging work because these African are still adjusting to this environment. I don't know if what measures we can take aside from those measures that we already have employed, because we really don't know of how to, quickly grow and even propagate or massively breed our African lovebirds. And we are here now in the cage of our parakeets, and if you will ask me, what's the key factor to the success of our aviary? Well, cleanliness is one. You will see that we are actually cleaning the surroundings of this, and it's advisable that the floorings should be concrete so that you can clean it with water very thoroughly. And I had the experiment between using the soil as our flooring. It's not good actually. So we have to use the cement, we have to concretize our flooring so that we can easily clean up. And you will see right there that we have new babies that are coming out. One of the things also that I can share with you is to have a separate cage for the newly weaned babies, because some of the male birds will kill the babies. They will try to breed on this, newly hatched or newly weaned babies. That's why they have to be separated in another cage. So that's the reason why we have this cage right here. So you will see that they are now very enjoyable to watch. They have plenty of this nesting boxes. We have materials right here. And once again, I would like to repeat this one, that the bamboos are doing good for the nest boxes of our birds. And also the diet is also good. We have this cattle bone, we have this dawa, this canary seeds. You will see that we are progressing in so far as parakeet breeding is concerned. And I hope that in the future we can extend this aviary and we can again have another colony of birds right here. So maybe over here or in the house, I do not know yet, but I have to assess the situation because I really love birds, and I would like that I will see birds early in the morning as I wake up. So these are the things that we can share with you so far. I hope you will continue to like and share our videos. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, because we are now uploading videos every 2 days. Only here at Dexter's World.